What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today we are doing another nail video. Today I'll be doing my sister's nails. This is actually an old video that is coming out now, but we're going to do her nails for her maternity / newborn photo shoot. So first we're going to soak her nails in some water just to make sure everything is nice and soft so that when I start, extracting the cuticles and stuff and pushing them back, we don't hurt her. Then I'm going to use this cuticle eliminator and put them right on the cuticles and let that soak in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then begin to scrape them away with my cuticle pusher. She really just wanted me to paint over her nails, but I was like, no, we have to do the whole thing. Like, we have time. Like, it's okay. The baby is sleeping. Look at all those cuticles coming up. We needed to. Alright, so after that, we're going to clean the nail off, and then I'm going to begin to shape them. My sister is the exact opposite of me. She likes her nails short and square, so we're going to just give her that shape today. I'm using a 100-180 nail file. And then when we're finished that, we're going to go in and buff them so that all the sharp edges are out, and we're making sure that the nail is nice and smooth for polished application. Now we're going to use the Beetles Foundation Base Gel. I'm going to put that all over the nails and then put them in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. After that, we're going to take number 129A from the Beetles Manhattan collection, and we're going to put that on her ring finger, on both ring fingers on each hand. This is going to be the accent nail. Sorry that we're out of focus. We were sitting at like a weird angle for the camera. And then on the rest of the hands, we're going to put A137, which is this navy blue color. And remember, with gel, you need to clean off the edges before you put it in the nail lamp, or else the gel will cure on your actual finger. And this navy blue gel stained, so that was kind of terrible. But we were able to get it off later with acetone and a thin brush. So we did 2 coats of the blue, 2 coats of the pink. And then I'm going to go in with this one, which is A143, I believe. Yes. And it's a glitter navy blue. And I'm going to make a little heart on her ring finger. So we're going to have a little bit of nail design with my dotting tool. Hearts are like the easiest designs to make. 1, 2, and connect them. That was so easy. And then I'm going to clean that up with some acetone just to make sure all the edges are straight and make sure that there's no blue polish on the pink nail. So we want it to be nice and clean. And we're gonna stick that in the gel lamp and then finish it up with the Glitter Bells No Wipe top coat. Finally, we're going to go in with the Love by Verdi Coconut Lime Verbena Cuticle Butter. She's going to rub that all over her hands. And this is the finished look. Alright y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.